Welcome to deck number 1 on the Avalon Passion. This is a perfect location for someone who wants to get into river cruising, but needs to be very, very careful about the dollars they spend. They want to spend their money outside in the destination. Check this out. Here's your bathroom, your sink area. I'm going to peek in here because quite honestly, I haven't opened this yet. Oh, great shelving. You don't have a ton of space necessarily out here. But the thing is, now that you know it, you're going to plan for it. And that's the whole idea behind checking out every single cruise line to find the perfect one for you. You've got some storage down here, some shelves, and here is your shower. Now I'm going to give you an idea of how big the shower is, because if I stand in here, you're going to get an idea. I am 5'2". I can spread my elbows out, and here are your full-size bottles of shampoo, body wash, and conditioner, along with the same outside here. So let's go in and check out your suite as well. You can see the bed is set up as a double. It can be converted into 2 singles if that's what you're looking for. And again, this is the water level. So we do have a ship outside of us here. So you can see here, this is your window to the outside. When you stay on deck number 1, all of the amenities of the ship, everything others have, you have. Now, it just so happens across the way, guess what we're going to get to show you? How this cabin will look if you have 2 singles. So over there, it was set up as a double. This is your 2 singles. Now I'm going to move in here. You can see the amount of space between these 2. Here is your full area to maybe do a little business or set your makeup up. And there is the bathroom, which is set up identical to the bathroom across the way. And here is your closet space for hanging and your closet space with shelves. So this is deck number 1 on the Avalon Passion. Still looking for the perfect cabin? Well, I've got more for you right here.